laughing.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be my first video, and I'm here with my friend Joanna. And today we're gonna be doing the try to sneeze with your eyes open challenge. And so what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna get the corner of the tissue and you're gonna really wrap this or twist this into a really pointy weapon, and you're gonna stick this up your nose and you're gonna try to make yourself sneeze. And yeah, so let's begin. Let's see who can get it first. Ready? Go. Ow, my nose is itchy. I'm crying. It's all snotty. I need to blow my nose. What two of them? I think nothing's coming out. You have to look at the camera. So you have your eyes open. I'm gonna do it. I just blew all this away. I think I got it. I'm not sure. I think I closed my eyes. Slightly. Come on, like. I closed my eyes. You got it. Ready? Looking at it first. Go. Hard. Like the eye, the nose, nostril, I do it all. I feel like it's allergy season. I think I got it. Okay. Well, I think we did a pretty good job. We sneezed. That's a good thing. You should have done it from the seat. That's not true. Look up.
And now, vertically.
Okay.
Oh,
My eyebrow's getting itchy.
30. Go one.
Well, that was a really bad one. That was really bad.
Anyway.
Oh.
Pop it.
Hey. Pop it. I couldn't see your face. All I could see is your cleavage, boobies. Oh, look how greasy your hair is.
You know what? It's called shine.
It's called. It's
haven't washed your hair in a day. Sally.
Uh-huh.
And this one's Harriet.
Okay.
And this is Tommy.
You should keep this for the hungry, which is you. I'm just kidding.
We just do the honors.
Someone's ugly.
Well, I'm sorry. That does look ugly. I think it's because I did it too like tiny. This one's like big and chunky. Take a picture.
I think I put too much.
You're like, you can put too much.
It looks good.
Follow me on, add me. Link in the description.
No, bitch.
Yeah, that looks ugly on Flash.
You didn't pop it well enough. Oh, there it goes.
No, Flash.
Add me. Shout out to JoJo for cutting the mangoes into a. What is this hairstyle called?
Dreadlocks.
Oh, dreadlocks. Oh yeah, it could look like that too. It could look like a weird mohawk. Spikes. How am I gonna eat this? Very clean.
Don't.
It tastes weird.
It tastes weird. Why?
It tastes weird.
No, it doesn't. Do you have lemon or lemon juice? It's really lemon.
Tissue. You go around and get a tissue.
Oh, yeah. Get a tish.
What if you put a lot? Oh! It's like that watermelon candy.
Basically.
Tissue again.
Tish.
It's like watch me eat video.
You know the mukbang? Mukbang? Yeah. I think it's called mukbang or something. It's an eating show where you watch people eat.
No.
You should watch it. I watch it.
What if you ate it with a spoon?
Could do that. But I.
Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video like we're enjoying these mangoes. And yeah, like and
Subscribe.
like and subscribe, guys. Just kidding, you don't have to. I don't really care. Well, yeah. Stay tuned for our next video.